Greetings. This is a tutorial going over the High School Vision Program Student Science Video Contest hosted by ARVO. My name is Shlewa Akintillo, and I'm the Science Communications Manager at ARVO. Here's the agenda. You'll get to know about ARVO and what we do. Then I'll go over the contest, its guidelines, logistics, and key dates. Finally, I will show you some available resources. The Association for Research in Vision and Ophthalmology is the world's largest and most respected eye and vision research organization. ARVO advances research worldwide into understanding the visual system and preventing, treating, and curing its disorders. Founded in 1928, our membership includes nearly 10,000 researchers from over 75 countries. The High School Vision Program Student Science Video Contest, the contest, is a program at ARVO designed to unearth some of the emerging scientists from around the country. Submit a video showcasing your interest in science, technology, engineering, or math for a chance to win a cash prize. Applicants must be high school students from the identified schools in Denver and the surrounding counties. The contest may expand to include other metro areas in the coming years. You can submit a video in one of the following 5 categories. First, my first or favorite experiment. So some prompts to get you thinking about this category could be: who or what inspired you to conduct your experiment? What was your research question? What did you learn? How will you apply your findings to future experiments or use them in your future career? What advice do you have for other students preparing to conduct their first experiment? Did you get helpful tips from someone that you'd want others to know? The second category, my live science demonstration or experiment. So for this one, what inspired you to conduct this experiment or demonstration? How will you use the scientific method to solve a problem? What did you learn? How will you apply your findings to future experiments or use them in your future career? Third, what my science teacher taught me. What science topics have you enjoyed learning about in school and why? How did your teacher capture your interest in this topic? What else has your teacher inspired you to study? Fourth, what an animal taught me. What scientific observations have you made? What do the animal and humans have in common? How will you apply what you learned to future scientific study? Finally, how my favorite scientist made a difference. So, who's your favorite scientist and what are they known for? What was their journey to scientific discovery? What obstacles did they face? How do we use their findings today? Here is an example from a previous contestant.
The Magnus effect was found by a German scientist named Heinrich Gustav Magnus, who noticed that when maps dropped with a spin, they moved differently through the air. The effect is caused by an object spinning through the air. It creates an environment where the air moves one way but stays stagnant on the other side. The friction caused between the pipe and the air causes one side to slow down to a halt and the other to speed up rapidly, giving it lift or making it fall faster. What makes this effect so interesting is that you can see it every day without knowing that it happened, you know? Like, for example, if you watched your favorite NBA player take a shot, you wouldn't know that it was a 3-point shot. Or when you see your favorite pitcher throw a curveball, those are all examples of the Magnus effect. Even when you see your favorite soccer player kick a shot from the corner and it curves into the goal, these are all prime examples of the Magnus effect. That's why I chose this project. That's why I chose the Magnus effect. Because even though you can't see the air move around it, you always know that it's there.
So the videos must be 3 minutes or less. You can submit your video individually or as part of a group, and don't include copyrighted music or images in there unless you have written permission from the copyright holder. ARVO representatives will review and score all videos following this rubric. Up to 50 points for scientific content. Successful videos will have a clear research question or scientific concept. Up to 50 points for creativity. Successful videos will be engaging, unique, and get voters excited about the topic. Up to 10 bonus points for vision-related videos. This isn't a requirement, but ARVO will give extra points to videos on eyes or vision science. After that, they will then share the highest scoring videos. And then your friends and family will vote for their favorite. ARVO will then select 3 winners, and the grand prize will be $2,000. Second place will be $1,000, and third place will be $500. ARVO will also showcase the grand prize video at its annual meeting in May 2022 and on our website. So to enter the contest, go to this page, fill out the form, and upload your video. You will also need to accept the video release and a parental permission for those under 18. Submissions open on Tuesday, February 1st and close on Sunday, March 20th. Here are some available resources for you. Our website, the video that we just showed you, and if you have any questions about the contest or about production, like how to edit or light your video, feel free to contact us at outreach@arvo.org. Also, you have your science teacher. Want to learn more about science from someone who shares your passion? Connect with a vision scientist mentor who can share what it's like to work in the field. To let us know if you would like to be matched up, contact Dr. Perez-Gonzalez at this email address. Remember, the deadline to submit is Sunday, March 20th. The contest information, resources, and form are on this page. And if you would like to learn more about ARVO, visit us at arvo.org. Good luck.